Imagine this. No solid food. Just protein shakes. Breakfast? Shake. Lunch? Shake. Midnight cravings? You guessed it, shake. But what actually happens if you go full blender mode for 30 days straight? Welcome to FitnessVerse, where science meets sarcasm, on steroids, not literally. In the beginning, you feel like a superhero. Everything's liquid, digestion's a breeze, and your toilet breaks. Well, let's say you're in and out like the Flash. But wait, your jaw misses chewing, and your brain? It's starting to scream, "Where's my carbs, Karen?" Without solid food, your digestive system gets lazy. You might drop a few pounds, some fat, some water, and maybe your will to live. Muscle protein synthesis? Still active, but lacking key nutrients from whole foods. Plus, fiber? Who needs it? Oh wait, you do. At this point, you're a protein philosopher. You've named your shaker bottle, Shaky. You start seeing food in your dreams. Your metabolism might slow down unless you're training hard. And spoiler alert, no solid meals equals zero food satisfaction. Short term? Okay, maybe you drop weight, feel lean, look great for that beach day. Long term? You're missing vital nutrients, gut health goes sideways, and mental fatigue kicks in. Turns out, real food was the MVP all along. Protein shakes? Great tool. Total meal replacement for a month? Only if you enjoy mild madness and excessive blending. Subscribe to FitnessVerse for more what-if health experiments and science with a side of sarcasm.